In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Elements dev pack in your favorite text editor and see those changes live in Elements. So let's go ahead and add the Elements pack we previously created. I'm going to go up to the Elements menu, press Settings. I'm going to go to the Add-ons window. Now we're going to add our pack. And here's the one I created. So let's get that added. We open and then it appears in the list. And now the components contained within that will also appear in my component list. And this is the component in that pack. It's called Wobble. So I can just drop that in. It's a very simple component here that just changes the value in the page to correspond with this slider. And I can find this component in the Finder by saying Reveal in Finder. And let's go back to the beginning. So you can see my Wibble element pack. It's got my component in it, and you can have as many components in here as you like. And there's my Wobble component. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this dev pack and I can just drop it in my text editor and it'll open it up like a folder. Whoops, there we go. So now I've got this opened in Nova and I can see the contents of the project. And this is my index template file here. Move this down and I can just make changes to this, and as soon as I save those changes they will appear in the editor in Elements. So if we change this to high, and now when I press save you'll notice this flashes and this updates. So if you watch carefully now, Command S, boom, this is updated, and that gave a little flash to let us know that it's changed. Let's do that again. So if you watch here, boom, that flashes to say, yep, it's updated. So every time you make a change and save, boom, it works like that. And this works for all the files in here. So if we go ahead and add a new property in here, I'm going to go over to the element docs and we're going to look for a drop-down menu or a select menu as it's sometimes called. I'm going to copy this code here, come back to our our properties file, and let's have a look here. We want to add it after this slider property so I can see it ends there, and I can put a comma in and we're going to paste our control. Now again, as soon as I save you'll see it gets updated here, boom, it's updated. So now we've got this and we want to update the options here. So this is going to be a list of fruits, so let's change that to fruit. Save, boom, updates again. And the ID for this is fruit choice. That's what I want. That's the ID I'm going to use to reference this control in the template, which we'll get to in a moment. So the value, let's change this one to apple, and the title will be apple as well. And I want the default value here to select apple, so that's the top one. Let's have an orange. Just going to copy and paste that, and then we'll have a pear, copy and paste, and I want a plum as well. So let's copy and paste and let's save, boom, see it flash and update. There we are, and we've got our options in there, so that's looking great. Now I'll go back to our template and we're just going to add the property for our drop down. So hello, I'm 35 years old. I'm not, I wish I was, but I'm not. I'm a little bit older. My favorite fruit is, and now we want to put in that value. So if we go back to our properties file, we gave it the ID of fruit choice. So I copy that, go back to my index file and open curly brackets, and it's already auto completed the close brackets for me. I paste this in here, and if I save now, it's updated it automatically just like that. So hello, I'm 35 years old. My favorite fruit is, let's just get rid of that comma, is an apple. Maybe that sounds better, and we'll put a exclamation mark on the end, and if I save, boom, you can see it updates there. So, and as I change these options, it just updates live in the editor. There we go. So that's how to edit your component in an external editor and how well that works with Elements that you can just see these changes live. I hope you found this useful, and if you want to learn any more about building components and dev packs, please do refer to the manual and look out for future videos. All right, thanks for watching this one, and I will see you in the next. Cheers, bye.